Quran verse 85. Chapter 2. Al-Baqarah, English translation, by Shabir Ahmed, MD, Florida. ثم أنتم هؤلاء تقتلون أنفسكم وتخرجون فريقا منكم من ديارهم تظاهرون عليهم بالإثم والعدوان وإن يأتوكم أسارى تفادوهم وهو محرم عليكم إخراجهم أفتؤمنون ببعض الكتاب وتكفرون ببعض فما جزاء من يفعل ذلك منكم إلا خزي في الحياة الدنيا ويوم القيامة يردون إلى أشد العذاب وما الله بغافل عما تعملون. البقرة 85.
It is you who subdue and slay your own people, and evict a weak faction among you from their homes. And you support one another in hurting the community, and sowing the seeds of discord. And when these homeless people get enslaved by others and are brought to you, you ransom them, whereas it was unlawful for you to evict them in the first place. What? Do you wish to accept one part of the scripture and reject the other? Think then, what the reward of such wrongdoing must be, nothing but disgrace in the life of this world, and on the day of resurrection the most grievous chastisement. God is not unaware of what you do. The verse is referring to the Jewish community of Medina, but as is always the case in the Quran, the commands have a wide historical applicability, in this case, to oppressive societies anywhere anytime.